Let's go for a little walk. It's pretty neat down here. A lot of signatures up there. This is Shipwreck Bay. Found a little shipwreck back over there. And let's go around the island. There's Blue Mountain in the distance. I don't know if that's a bay. That might be a bay. There's another lean-to spot over there. You can see that white sign. There it is up there. Well, that looks like a brand new one. There's a deer. Another deer. Let the deer run. Okay, coming to the channel on the east end of the island, and this is probably where the deer swim across, I would imagine. See the buoys out there, they mark the center of the channel. Looks windy out there. Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's windy right through here. This is gonna be fun. Ugh. Get back into it, triggers. Over an old dead log here. Definitely getting my exercise now. Uh-oh, rock. Gotta miss the rock. There we go. Nope, bring it back around. I try to rudder this over, but the wind will blow me backwards if I stop paddling. Should have bought some beer while I was in town. I'm gonna need one after this. Oh, we're out of the channel more or less. It's back there. But boy, it's still windy out here. Wish I had a sailboat. I'm much better at sailing than I am at canoeing. Got my Powerade down there, but I don't want to stop and grab it. I'll get blown back into shore. Those deer are probably overeating my snacks. There's our lean-to up in here. Ramming speed! Oop, bumped the rock right there. That's not my canoe. Ta-da! Whew, that was an ass kicker. Okay, for dinner, we got beef, bean, and rice burritos. I'm gonna be eating like a king tonight. This is stir-fry steak that I gotta season. I'm boiling water here so I can just put the packet in there and it'll heat up this Uncle Ben's. I got some paper plates over there. We've got garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. This is stir fry meat. Let's say that's done. Take that off of there. Let's heat our rice up a little more. We got a little bit of gravy in there too. Got my coffee cup. Taster's Choice Hazelnut Instant. Swiss Miss for hazelnut mocha. Okay, here's the test. Down the hatch. Remember, just because you're out in the wilderness doesn't mean you have to be miserable. Life couldn't be better. What? I'm watching Dark Crystal. Just because I'm on an island in the middle of a lake doesn't mean I can't enjoy a little electronic entertainment. Okay, time to make the fire. Okay, what I use, I make my own tinder. And what this is, all this is wax, cotton balls, and a little bit of lamp oil. And I made these like 15 years ago. And you just pull it apart, get these little threads like that, and then got my magnesium flint block. So I'll put some magnesium on there. Sometimes you don't even need it. Just like that. Basically all it is a candle. And that'll burn for 5 minutes. More than enough time to get all your kindling and everything next to it. Now that's a fire.
Guys, it's not your job, it's mine. You're not a cop. Promise me. Promise. And you know Iris is not stupid. I'll start making better excuses.
Biscuits and gravy. you can make hard taco shells, like taco bowls, in the oven. I'm going to try it like this. Hopefully I don't burn it. Our taco bowl is almost done. You know, I probably should have done it in this. Well, maybe I'll do that later. Be a deeper bowl. But this is actually working pretty good. You know, it's getting nice and crispy. That has to sit for like 10 minutes. Plate's coming in handy. Yeah, that fits in there perfect. Look at that. Yeah. Nice and crispy. Now this isn't as good as homemade sausage, gravy, and biscuits. But when you're on an island in the middle of a lake, in a lean-to, it'll do. This is the best morning on the lake. Can't believe how calm it is. I'm gonna head down to those islands down yonder. What a difference from yesterday. Okay, we're between the islands. I think that's Strawberry, and I think that's St. Hubert's, or maybe that's St. Hubert's. I don't know. The way they got them listed on the map is confusing, but they're islands. That is definitely an island. And that's an island, and that's an island. Let's go over here. Okay, I think this is St. Hubert's, because it looks like it's got a, used to be a church on it. Right there. As a matter of fact, there's a sign over there. Let's see what it says. Church of the Good Shepherd. Episcopal, built in 1880. The church was built in 1880. And there's St. Hubert's. That'd be a nice little island to have. Look at these two little over here. These look neat. Let's go check these out. A nice little gazebo right there. You can see some really nice sunsets from that direction. This is my kind of place right here. This would be nice. Tiny little island. Boy, you'd have to be careful coming in here with a boat. I bet this is pretty shallow right here. It's got a lean-to. We're gonna shoot the gap. And that didn't work. Wow, 1896. This is amazing. I love that. Oh, that place is gorgeous. Look at that. Echo Camp. That's beautiful. Huntington Memorial Camp. Center for Environmental and Outdoor Education. All college kids are there. Okay, this is everything I had to bring this week. 2 dry bags with all my electronics, drone, chargers, stuff like that. My sleeping mat, hatchet, bow saw, tripod for the GoPro, fishing tackle, fishing pole, that's my phone in there. 1 backpack filled with food, extra clothing, water purification. Another backpack filled with water purification, a pot, a pan, coffee pot, stuff like that, plus a tent and a tarp just in case I couldn't get the lean-to. I always plan for the worst. And this is everything I brought with me. And it basically was enough. I could have used a couple more chargers, but I had like 4 flashlights, knife, 2 knives, all that stuff. Lots of fun. Oh yeah, 2 bottles. 1 plastic bottle there to drink out of, and another plastic bottle there to when I purified my water. And that's it.